Namaskar. Welcome to Vandana's art classes. Today we are going to learn a mango pattern in Kalamkari art style. For this, we need the following material. So material we need is a glass of water. We need rough cloth. We need black color. We need actual Kalamkari is done with this pen, but I'll be using the 000 number brush, and I have this wooden plate and I'll be painting on this. And for background, we'll decide which color to use. So let's start. So like in every folk art, in Kalamkari also, the black color is very important. I'm going to use a 000 number brush. Even that is thicker for this work. So I'll start from the base. I have done gesso on my wooden plate. Kalamkari paintings don't have white color. Normally cloth is colored and then painting is made on it. So its color is off-white. We can say warm white. We are going to make a mango pattern today. These semicircles we can fill with color or we can leave it in black and white. Normally Kalamkari is done on the cloth. Cloth is washed in the milk, and then before washing in the milk, its starch is removed by washing it again in the running water or water filled in a bucket. Sri Kalahasti is the main center for painting and Machilipatnam is the main center for block printing. Block printing means this kind of ready-made blocks. The artists make the block, they do the carving on the block, and then they dip it in the paint and press like this. So if you see your design, perfectly same design everywhere, that means it's a block printing. But if you see your cloth has lots of hand-made design like uneven size of leaves and flowers and like this mango design and all, that means it is done by the Sri Kalahasti artist and they do the freehand point. So first design is drawn on the cloth and then black color outline is given. After black color outline is dried, then the next step is to treat it with some elms and wash again. Once that is dried, then actual color is given. Now we are going to make a design here. They make their own natural dyes. Natural colors are used. They don't use acrylic paints or anything. Their colors are made by the natural ingredients. Now we'll come to the next layer. I always go both sides equally so that we don't do any mistake in counting the numbers. Take very little paint in the brush. This is the art of present-day Telangana and Andhra. Historians have a doubt how old is this art. Roughly it is said to be at least 3000 years old. These artists were musicians also, and together they used to go from one village to other village and they used to sing the songs in the praise of God. Stories of Mahabharata, Ramayana, Bhagavad Gita all were recited, and then these stories were painted by the artist on the cloth. And there are 23 steps to paint a cloth, right from starting from washing, removing the starch, boiling and soaking in the cow's milk or goat's milk, then giving the color by elms and other objects. All are natural dyes. Everything is natural and every time it is washed. So it's a really tough art form. When we buy a Kalamkari piece, we can make out that artist has really put in their heart and soul in it to make it so beautiful. This is not something which can be painted on a cloth in one day. These colors are fast and they are very strong. Mainly the colors which are used are black, red, yellow and blue. Rest of the colors are made with the combination of these. Like for example, if we want to make orange color, we'll take the yellow color on the top of red and together it will give the orange color. Yellow and blue will give the shades of green. Blue is taken out from the indigo. Please every time wash your brush and wipe it. I'm going to start with red color. This is my red color. I'm going to use yellow color. I'm using Fevicryl's blue color, Fevicryl's green, red, Fabio's black. We will do one more coat of black color on it to make the outlines and line work very clear. Now, when this green color will get dry, in the meantime, I'm filling outline with red color. Normally in blue color, we have to give a second coat. Otherwise also we give 2-3 coats, but especially in blue color, we have to give. As you can see, this is a beautiful Kalamkari design. You can make it in black and white also, and if you want, you can make it with one single color also. It's your choice. I hope you like this tutorial. Thank you for liking, sharing and subscribing my YouTube channel Vandana's Art. Thank you. Dhanyavad. Namaste.